Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best permanent makeup machine review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. MONIK Mu Permanent Makeup Machine. This MONIK Mu Permanent Makeup Machine frame made aluminum alloy body, weight 75 gram, machine size 14 cm by 2 cm, fast heat dissipation, high shock elimination. This wireless permanent makeup pen is a high-quality machine designed to give you the closest feel to an actual pen that you can get with a tattoo machine. You can use this pen to do tattooing, permanent eyebrows, makeup, lip line, eyeline. This tattoo machine provide high-frequency motor, stable performance, rotary speed up to 35,000 RPM, easier pigment. This tattoo machine equipped long-lasting battery life. Lithium-ion battery is more powerful and long-lasting. USB battery charging can be connected to the charger and computer. This tattoo kit including tattoo pen with clip cord, power supply with cable, cartridges, needles, foot pedal, and other supplies. You can use this tattoo pen kit to do tattooing, permanent makeup, etc. Number 4. ZONE PM MP015 Permanent Makeup Machine. The ZONE PM MP015 Permanent Makeup Machine frame made aluminum alloy, weight 160 gram, stroke 0 to 3.5 mm. Adopt with pure metal shell techniques, space silver color, never get abrasion. This wireless permanent makeup pen is a high-quality machine designed to give you the closest feel to an actual pen that you can get with a tattoo machine. It can provide different functions, such as eyebrow, eyeliner, lip, MTS, even small tattoo. This tattoo machine installed with Japan motor and original Japan bearing, high speed achieved, 15,000 rotations per minute, high performance, rotation stable, less vibration, low noise, muffled. This permanent eyebrow makeup pen equipped with rechargeable lithium battery that can last up to 3 to 4 hours when fully charged and can be quickly charged in approximately 2 hours. This permanent eyeliner makeup machine kit used for eyebrow, eyeliner, lips, and hairline microblading, hairline tattoo, MTS, henna tattoo, even small body tattoos. Number 3. MZ Beauty NM01 Permanent Makeup Machine. The MZ Beauty NM01 Permanent Makeup Machine frame made aluminum alloy, cheapest tattoo machine, rotary permanent makeup pen for eyebrow, lip, Swiss motor gun, McQueen a day, tattoo edge, microblading, PMU tools. This permanent makeup tattoo pen has adjustable speed controller 35,000 RPM, which makes you more convenient with the permanent makeup work. 12-volt strong power says coreless motor make this machine avoid vibration, powerful, lower noise, more durable. This permanent makeup machine device features a dual liner and shade output that can be switched with the press of a button. Hook up your favorite liner and shade and run them without having to switch out cables and reset. It has multi-functions for eyebrow, eyeliner, micropigmentation and skin management such as skin tightening, cure acne, scar and wound healing, improve wrinkles and fine lines. Number 2. BioMaser P300 Permanent Makeup Machine. The BioMaser P300 Permanent Makeup Machine launched in the market in 2017 and it improved according to customers who required light and compact design. It is made of plastic cover and quite light, high quality and best price. The permanent makeup machine multi-functions for eyebrow, eyeliner, micropigmentation and skin management such as skin tightening, cure acne, scar and wound healing, improve wrinkles and fine lines. The P300 permanent makeup machine features a dual liner and shade output that can be switched with the press of a button. Hook up your favorite liner and shade and run them without having to switch out cables and reset. This permanent makeup machine tattoo pen tattoo gun has adjustable speed controller 10,000 RPM, which makes you more convenient with the permanent makeup work. And this permanent makeup tattoo pen is small, easy to carry and use. This tattoo permanent makeup machine pen use cartridge needles make your permanent much easier and safer. Number 1. Mast WQ4905 Permanent Makeup Machine. The Mast WQ4905 Permanent Makeup Machine frame made aluminum alloy, weight 90 gram, diameter 21.5 mm, length 114 mm, stroke 2.0 mm, easy to hold. Internal spiral needle length mechanism, more scientific design. When adjusting the length of the needle, the position of the needle will not change, the length of the machine will not change. More convenient to use. This permanent makeup and tattoos core components: many customized motor, 12 volt 12,000 RPM, high-speed motor supply, stable operation, 2 mm needle stroke, special for permanent makeup. This cartridge's needles are equipment with the perfect tension for less stress on your tattoo machine. Maintain the pen long time working. Needles reliable for all-purpose work, offering all the groupings and sizes you need whenever liner or shader.